Hey everyone, Dr. Mike here. Did you know that nearly everyone experiences diarrhea at least once a year? It's true. Diarrhea can really throw a wrench into your day, leaving you feeling drained and, let's be honest, a little scared to stray too far from a bathroom. Dealing with diarrhea can be super frustrating. You're running back and forth to the bathroom, feeling those uncomfortable cramps, and just generally feeling miserable. It can really take a toll on your energy levels and your ability to go about your day. I'm sure many of you watching this know exactly what I'm talking about. That feeling of urgency, the discomfort. It's no picnic. You've probably tried different things to find relief. Maybe over-the-counter medications or changing your diet. But have you ever felt like you were just shooting in the dark, hoping something would work? When you have diarrhea, your body loses fluids and electrolytes, those essential minerals that keep everything running smoothly. One of the biggest culprits is potassium, and that's where bananas come in. Bananas are like nature's little potassium powerhouses. They're packed with this vital electrolyte, which helps your body hold on to fluids and regulate those muscle contractions that are probably making you feel crampy. Plus, bananas are gentle on your stomach. They're easy to digest, even when your digestive system is feeling a bit out of whack. And let's not forget, they taste great. So next time diarrhea has you feeling run down, grab a banana. It's a simple, natural way to replenish your potassium levels and start feeling better. Trust me, your body will thank you for it. When you have diarrhea, the last thing you want is to put something in your stomach that's going to make things worse, right? That's why white rice is such a great choice. White rice is what we call a bland food. Now, don't let that fool you into thinking it's boring. Bland in this case means it's gentle on your digestive system. It's not going to irritate your stomach or cause any unnecessary contractions. Instead, white rice actually helps to bind things together. It absorbs excess fluid in your digestive tract, which can help to firm up your stool and make those bathroom trips a little less frequent. Think of white rice as a blank canvas for your stomach. It's a neutral base that allows your digestive system to rest and recover without any added stress. Applesauce isn't just for kids, you know. It's actually a fantastic food to eat when you have diarrhea. And it's all thanks to a special type of fiber called pectin. Pectin is a soluble fiber, which means it dissolves in water and forms a gel-like substance in your digestive tract. This gel helps to bulk up your stool, making it easier to pass and reducing the frequency of your bathroom trips. Think of pectin like a little plumber for your gut. It helps to regulate things, keeping everything moving along smoothly and preventing those sudden urges that can really throw a wrench in your day. Plus, applesauce is another one of those foods that's easy on the stomach. It's naturally sweet, so it can be a comforting choice when you're not feeling your best. Sometimes simple is best, especially when it comes to diarrhea. That's where toast comes in. It's a classic comfort food for a reason. Toast is made from white bread, which, like white rice, is low in fiber. This means it's easy to digest and won't irritate your already sensitive stomach. It's all about giving your digestive system a break. Now, I know what you might be thinking, but Dr. Mike, isn't bread made from gluten? And you're right, it is. But unless you have a diagnosed gluten sensitivity or celiac disease, a little bit of toast isn't going to hurt. In fact, the simple carbohydrates in toast can actually help to provide your body with some much-needed energy when you're feeling run down from diarrhea. Yogurt is one of my favorite foods for gut health, and that includes when you're dealing with diarrhea. Why? Because it's packed with probiotics, those beneficial bacteria that live in your gut and play a crucial role in digestion. When you have diarrhea, the balance of bacteria in your gut can get thrown off. This can actually make your symptoms worse. Probiotics help to restore that balance, introducing good bacteria back into your system. Think of probiotics like the friendly neighbors of your gut. They keep the bad bacteria in check and help to maintain a healthy environment for digestion. Look for yogurt that contains live and active cultures. These are the good bacteria that will give your gut the support it needs to recover from diarrhea. Boiled potatoes might not sound like the most exciting food, but when you're dealing with diarrhea, sometimes bland is best. And trust me, boiled potatoes can be surprisingly satisfying. Potatoes are a good source of carbohydrates, which your body needs for energy, especially when you're losing fluids and electrolytes from diarrhea. They're also relatively easy to digest, particularly when they're boiled. Just like white rice, boiled potatoes are considered a binding food. This means they can help to absorb excess fluid in your digestive tract and make your stool firmer. The key here is to keep it simple. Avoid adding butter, cheese, or other toppings that could potentially irritate your stomach. Plain boiled potatoes are your best bet. Chapter 7. Chicken broth liquid gold for diarrhea. Chicken broth is like a warm hug for your insides, and it's a lifesaver when you have diarrhea. Not only is it comforting, but it also provides essential fluids and electrolytes that your body desperately needs. When you have diarrhea, you lose a lot of fluids and electrolytes through your stool. This can lead to dehydration, which can make your symptoms even worse. Chicken broth helps to replenish those lost fluids and electrolytes, keeping you hydrated. Plus, chicken broth is easy to digest. It's gentle on your stomach and won't cause any unnecessary irritation. You can sip on it slowly throughout the day to stay hydrated and provide your body with some much-needed nourishment. Homemade chicken broth is always best, but if you're short on time, you can use store-bought broth. Just be sure to check the sodium content, as some brands can be high in salt. Chapter 8. Herbal tea soothe your system. Herbal teas aren't just for relaxation. They can also be incredibly helpful when you're dealing with diarrhea. Certain herbs have soothing properties that can calm your digestive system and ease your discomfort. Peppermint tea is a great choice. It contains menthol, which has antispasmodic properties. This means it can help to relax the muscles in your digestive tract, reducing cramping and pain. Ginger tea is another good option. Ginger is known for its anti-nausea effects, which can be helpful if you're feeling queasy along with diarrhea. It can also help to reduce inflammation in the gut. Chamomile tea is a gentle and calming choice. It has anti-inflammatory properties that can help to soothe your digestive system and promote relaxation. When choosing herbal teas, be sure to opt for caffeine-free varieties, as caffeine can actually dehydrate you. Chapter 9. Oatmeal, a gentle giant for your gut. Oatmeal is a breakfast staple for many, but it's also a fantastic food to eat when you have diarrhea. It's gentle on the stomach, provides essential nutrients, and can help to bulk up your stool. One of the key benefits of oatmeal is its soluble fiber content. Soluble fiber dissolves in water and forms a gel-like substance in your digestive tract. This gel helps to slow down digestion, which can be particularly helpful when you have diarrhea. Oatmeal is also a good source of several vitamins and minerals, including iron, magnesium, and zinc. These nutrients can be depleted when you have diarrhea, so it's important to replenish them. When preparing oatmeal, be sure to cook it with water or unsweetened almond milk. Avoid adding sugar or artificial sweeteners, as these can actually worsen diarrhea. You can add a touch of natural sweetness with a drizzle of honey or a sprinkle of cinnamon. Outro take control of your gut health, so there you have it, 9 foods that can help bring you back to life when diarrhea strikes. Remember, these foods focus on replenishing lost electrolytes, providing easily digestible energy, and soothing your digestive system. Have you tried any of these foods for diarrhea relief? Share your experiences and tips in the comments below. Your insights might just help someone else who's struggling with this uncomfortable issue. And if you're interested in learning more about gut health and how to keep your digestive system happy, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. I'll be sharing more evidence-based health information soon.